Let's solve one previous question of set theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2015 set 3 question number 41. Let R be a relation and the set of ordered pair of positive integers such that P, Q, R, S belongs to R if and only if P minus S equals to Q minus R. Which one of the following is true about R? And 4 options are given. In option it's asking about whether the relation is reflexive or symmetric. Let me first check whether the relation is reflexive. For reflexive, PQ must be belongs to R. PQ will be belongs to R when this P minus Q will be equals to Q minus P. Here P minus S equals to Q minus R. So just for example, let me take 2, 3, 2, 3. So 2 minus 3 equals to 3 minus 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. Both are not equal. Hence the relation is not reflexive. PQ doesn't belong to the relation. It's not possible. Next I will check whether the relation is symmetric. Symmetric means if AB belongs to relation, then BA must belongs to relation. Here it's two ordered pair belongs to relation. Means if PQ RS belongs to relation, then RS PQ must belongs to relation. It's two ordered pair belongs to one relation. Just consider this as A, this as a B. If AB belongs to relation, then BA must belongs to relation. So PQRS belongs to relation if P minus S equals to Q minus R, and RS PQ belongs to relation if R minus Q equals to S minus P. Is both are equal? Here in R minus Q and S minus P we can multiply minus 1. Minus 1 Q minus R equals to minus 1 P minus S. We just took minus 1 as common from both sides. Now we can cancel minus 1 from both sides. So Q minus R equals to P minus S. Here it is same. P minus S equals to Q minus R. Hence the relation is symmetric. So for symmetric, if PQRS belongs to R, then RS PQ must be belongs to R. PQRS belongs to R if P minus S equals to Q minus R, and RS PQ belongs to R if R minus Q equals to S minus P. Both are equal, hence it is symmetric. So you found the relation is not reflexive but it is symmetric. It's present in option C. So answer is option C, not reflexive but symmetric. I already discussed these relations like reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.